Welcome back to another show and tell video. Today we're taking a quick look at a replica pistol. This is a representation of the Automag 44 AMP Model 180. So what this is a replica of the Automag semi-automatic pistol that used the 44 caliber Automag pistol round. Now, I don't have any samples of the casings or actual rounds or even dummy rounds, but if we take a close look, we can see the markings there. And this is actually made by ModelGuns Corporation. But you can see also there the lettering for Automag, the 44 AMP Model 180, which designates this having the barrel length of, I believe, 6.5 inches on this model. And were different lengths for the other models of the Automag as well. To take a quick look at the markings on this other side, you can see there the ModelGuns Corporation logo, as well as a serial number or design number imprinted into there. This is a mix of plastic and metal parts, and again, you can see there full barrel plug on this end, even some seam markings from the molding that weren't removed during final finishing. And let's do a quick magnet test. There are some metal parts. I am getting a magnetic hit on the internal shafts here with the separate recoil springs, and possibly something along in the body here as well. I'm not quite 100% sure what. Most of the controls actually work. The magazine release works. You can see here we do have a full metal magazine, but it is marked Japan. But everything works on it. As you can see there, the follower does go all the way to the bottom. And you can see there one set of viewing hole, as well as, again, the slider and spring viewable on that side, and the cutout for the magazine release. Again, there's our button. It says knurled. Now the takedown lever, you can see there, it is fully attached and can be removed, but it actually doesn't do anything. And that is because if you look here, while there is the molding to represent the barrel assembly and part of the upper frame that would be disassembled if you could flip the takedown lever down, but even with loosening this retaining screw here, it doesn't flip down. This just passes through to the other side. And you can see here, this is all molded in one piece. Otherwise, loosening this, moving the takedown lever into the downward position would normally facilitate removing the upper assembly. In this case, though, you could disassemble the recoil spring assembly, but I really don't want to do that and try to put that back because of possible damage to the plastic parts through cross threading and just possible damage. You do have full checkered grips. You can see how they are assembled with the hex screws, trigger, slide stop, safety. Bolt mechanism does work, even though there is no firing pin in there. Also the barrel, if I can get this to hold into place, there's quite a little bit of wear on the internal, so not everything functions correctly, but the barrel does have some sort of obstruction in it, so you are not able to even chamber actual dummy rounds Or I would not recommend blank rounds either, because this is all plastic here and would not withstand any overpressure. But you can see here the metal kind of recoil spring guide rods, as well as the bolt assembly. And again, the slide stop does release, hammer functions, safety again does work. Uh, Kind of targeting sights with adjustments, and this is metal, although I don't think this is the actual uh, sights, although they are very close approximation. That gives you a sight picture there down the long barrel assembly. You can only imagine how much longer that view would be with a longer ribbed barrel. Again, this being, I believe, the 6.5-inch model. Give you an idea of the size of the ejection port there. And how those points look when the bolt is retracted. So again, let's see if we can get this to release a little bit easier. But take a quick look at the Model Gun Corporation replica version of the Automag 44 AMP Model 180. So this has been another show and tell video. Feel free to check out other show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do unboxing videos, as well as the selection of book review media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos from our artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.